Dalai Lamaji, respected Dalai Lamaji, you have told and we have understand that failure will never come to you if your determination of success is strong enough. And good, better and best is when you never let it test. Then good is best and best is better. But my question is that how can we decline negative thinking in our friend circle if any friend is against of me?
I think much depends on your own attitude. You see, firstly, some negative reaction come from other. You still keep peace attitude, smile. Remain like that, eventually will change. Actually, there is no other alternative. If someone show you negative attitude, you also take a negative attitude, then it's no end. Finally killing. So there's no other alternative. Some negative attitude come, you see, you show similar way is, I think, kasota, wrong way. Now look, global level, violence, counter-violence, violence, counter-violence, no end. Only thing is meaningful dialogue. That's the only way to cease the violence. So similar.